Hi, I'm Steve Walker, a Maths Subject Advisor at OCR. Here's an example of using the iterative function on a calculator. Numerical methods is one of the topics where learners may be expected to use the iterative function on their calculator. H240, Paper 1, Question 9, focuses on numerical methods. In this question, Part 1 requires learners to show their understanding of the mathematics behind Newton-Raphson, but then Part 2 requires learners to show that they can apply Newton-Raphson to obtain a numerical result. The use of the stored answer function is one way to do this on a calculator. The important thing learners must remember is to enter the starting value first before typing in the formula, using the answer recall function in place of the variable x. On the left are screenshots of the process using a TI 30X Pro scientific calculator. On the right are screenshots of the process using the Casio FX991EX class Whiz. Pretty much the same process. One thing, on the Casio calculator, it can be quite useful to change the input-output format to a natural format input but a decimal output from the setup screen. There are other ways that this can be done on either scientific or graphical calculators. One alternative is to use the spreadsheet functions, and this can be done in much the same way as learners would be doing in class using computer software. Sign up for the webinar 4 p.m. on Wednesday, where I'll be going through other questions on the sample assessment material and also discussing ideas for using technology in the classroom. See you then.